get our hats, our party hats. All right, Miles. Hang on, Parker. Here, Parker, you gotta get your party hat on. Mommy will put hers on too. Daddy, you gonna put yours on too? All right. That's good singing, Miles. You ready? Happy birthday, sing to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Parker. Happy birthday to you. Can you blow it out? Help. Oh, good job. Yay. You blew the fire away. All right, let's put his tray on so he can have a piece of cake all to himself. He gets the whole cake to himself, Miles. Just like
and then we get pieces too.
Whoa. It's a pretty hat, Boots. All right, Miles, let Mommy get the knife. Which piece do you want? Is it good?
Mine up.
Okay, tell me which piece you want.
That one.
No, we get from here. You want this one, or you want part of the road? Here, Boogie.